If you are using digital decorations from AtmosFX this Halloween, you might be interested in the Bukru projection. However, setting this up traditionally requires a 3DFX form, which can be pricey for many. Fortunately, with a bit of creativity, you can create your own DIY version using household items without compromising on the spookiness. Start by setting up your step ladder where you plan to project the animation. The ladder will act as the core structure of your ghost. On top of the ladder, place a ball or a foam wig head to serve as the ghost's head. This will give the figure a basic humanoid shape and allow the projection to align properly. Next, take a dark-colored sheet and drape it over the ladder. This sheet serves to hide the shape of the ladder itself, making your ghost look more mysterious and less like a step ladder. Ensure the sheet reaches the ground and is smooth without noticeable lumps or wrinkles. So, the final projection looks clean and seamless. Now, take your white sheet and drape it over the entire setup. This will form the outer appearance of the ghost. Make sure the white sheet is large enough to cover the head and fall naturally around the body. If you're displaying your ghost outside, be sure to secure everything to prevent the wind from blowing the sheets around and ruining the illusion. Finally, set up your projector and align it with the ghost. Position the projection so that it lands perfectly on the white sheet, bringing the ghostly Bukru characters to life. Adjust the focus and placement until the animation fits the shape of your DIY ghost for the best effect.
Then blink so you'll be primed for every scare. Ride and don't lawyer about. You two don't stand a skeleton's chance.
First up, we'll see who can make the scariest face.
Utterly pathetic.
It pains me to agree with Cruelly, but yeah, pathetic. I do!
Well, then, who was trick-or-treating?
Yes, he was there.
I mean his name.
Who?
The kid dressed as a skeleton.
Who?
The skeleton.
Who was dressed as a skeleton?
What are you asking me for?
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Who was the skeleton?
I'm asking you. Who was the skeleton?
That's the kid's name.